there. Once again, April is the Azalea Festival in Muskogee, Oklahoma. We have a lot going on today. Right now, we're having the Creole Fresh Festival. This is west of the Civic Center. I forgot the name of this street, but one street south of Omoggy and 5th Street, over here by the Bedouin facility. Just had the parade. It was great. April the 13th will be the Azalea 5K run. Then there's also on the 10th, the walker size. That'll be from 4 to 5. Every day there will be Pilates in the park and meditation in Azalea Park as well. So a lot going on. And then on another day there will be out at Hatbox. They will be having the barbecue and chili cook-off. They've got a dog agility course coming up April 21st. So come out and celebrate and share with your community. This is what you pay your taxes for. People that you support and invest in, and they're doing great things for our city. So you stay tuned. We're going over now. I'm walking in the grass, so it's taking me a little longer to get over here, and that is blocked off too. Well, we'll just have to roll the other way. That's blocked off, can't get over there.
Yeah. You know, one way I think. Same thing.
Okay.
So I'm going back to the wife's church.
Okay, great. So they have taste kits for $10. I guess you can't get inside of the fence without paying for your 10, but I just was taking videos. Oh, they've got some tosses going here. Some competition. Several venues out here. This is great. Try to make it over to the judges' table. This is Title School Wines. Calavera, Broken Arrow. Carlson Messer IV Incorporated. People always say, there ain't nothing to do. You gotta get up out of your house and go make something happen. You don't have to spend the money. You can just stand out here and wave. You'll see at least 5 people you know. Get out. Beautiful day, fresh air. We have no snow, no heat index of 110. Come out and support your community. Hi everybody. Got lots of friends and family at the Azalea Festival going on now. Here we are at the Cajun Cookout. I keep wanting to say Creole. I just can't get that there. Oh, they all dressed in their green. Look at all 4 of them. Oh, how cute. $10 to show you all the rest of these booths for 3 more minutes. Thank you for hanging out with us. And the Cajun Festival is sponsored by the Bedouin. Thanks for hanging out today in Muskogee, downtown Muskogee. This is west of the Civic Center, south of Muskogee. Yeah, right across from the Muskogee Little Theater. Take care. April is Azalea Festival month. Go out to Honor Heights and enjoy your city.